Hello guys, this is Amit from Etrader. Welcome to another USD analysis for Etrader. Today we're gonna look at what happened last week. We're gonna talk about the dollar index and the euro index, and we're gonna give you a forecast. Stay with us. Last week on the Euro USD, we expected the Euro USD to go up and break support and go to 1.35047, and eventually what did come of it, it went down, and instead of hitting this support line, it broke down until 1.1205. The NFP had a good good dollar data, so it went down, and right now we're on substantial support all the way from December 2018, and from this point on we've seen uptrend until at least 1.129, and even if it's a good uptrend it will come until 1.1358. Let's see the dollar index. We are in the dollar index, as you can see in the 4-hour chart. We expected, this is a beautiful arrow that we drew about 2 weeks ago. You can see the dollar went up, hit resistance, and we expected to go down. In the 1-day chart it's more clear. You can see a clear downtrend and good resistance. So for the next week, our analysis is the dollar is going to go down and the USD will go up. Let's see the euro index. Okay, we are seeing right now the euro index. In the daily chart we can see that the downtrend has been broken, and the beautiful arrow that we drew 2 weeks ago, we can see predicted that the euro index will go down. It did go down, met the support line, and right now is gonna go all the way up to 113.4, and if the euro index is gonna go up, then the euro USD will go up with him. So it's, with our last analysis, pretty good in the same direction that the euro USD will go up. Let's see the euro USD next. Okay, euro USD analysis for the next and upcoming week. First of all, I would like to explain a few things. The blue lines over here right now symbolizes the support line and resistance. If we are at this point 1.1225 and the blue line is under, that means that is a support line. And if we go all the way up and still don't break this line, this is a resistance line. Okay, every resistance line can be a support line. All you need to do is break it, then on the way down it will be a support. So if we do an analysis and we see the euro USD will go up, that means that we expected usually the chart. Let's see it from the 1-hour chart. Just a second. Okay, we do expect the candles over here to retest the support and go up. If it breaks this resistance, we expect it to go to this. This is TP number 1 and this is TP number 2. Usually we buy from this point until this point, and when we see a break, we buy from this point until this point. So it's important to understand. We saw the euro index and the dollar index. The dollar index is on the way down, the euro index is on the way up. That means that the euro USD is also on the way up, as you can see over here. So if it hits support, it's okay. 1, 2 times, usually the third time is a charm, and it goes up. It could even go further down to over here. I'll put it underneath 1.118. It could go down even further to this point, but eventually we see the Euro USD go up. You are with us, guys. If you are 1 month with our analysis or 2 years in our Instagram, you can see that if it's one thing we know the Euro USD. So eventually we see it go up. I would put a buy point over here, a buy point over here, and if it goes down, also a buy point over here for 1.12 until 1.129. it's a good buy, and from around 1.13 until 1.134 also a good buy. So this is our analysis for next week. Good to see you. Put the questions in the YouTube if you want us to answer some of your upcoming week about anything. We're here for you. Have a good trading week from us and Etrader.